So we're gonna talk about the ingredients. One is cake flour. So you can use any kind of cabbage. I put cabbage to make momo. It is juicy. Olive oil, any oil is okay. And this is the special thing, masala. It's according to the taste. Of course, we have ginger, garlic, salt, onion to grind all the things. So this is helping to grind the leek. We put leek also. So let's do it. Okay, I think it's ready. So let's open. Can you open? Yeah, it's properly been grinded.
Super grinded. So good smell.
So we're gonna add all the grind things like onion, cabbages, and also the meat, minced meat.
Yep.
So today we have added the pork and chicken. Are you ready
Yes.
to help?
Yes.
Okay, today you are the assistant, okay?
When?
Okay, let's do it. This is Momo masala. So garlic,
Yes.
olive oil, or any oil is okay. Cooking oil.
Not the hair oil.
Some meat masala as well. As you couldn't mix up so well, so I'm going to do. So taking the flour, so I've taken the cake flour. Any flour is okay. So making a dough out of it. Pouring little by little, mix it up. See, all the dough gonna be in one.
Do you?
Some meat and meat.
And make momo.
Okay, let's try. So let's do it together. Especially we do this in vegetable. Some calls it as a mouse momo. Look at mouse. Indian sweet company.